Hey there, WordPress creators. Today I've got an amazing deal that's going to transform your social media game completely. Let me introduce you to WP Social Ninja, and stick around because I'm sharing an exclusive 60% discount code. WP Social Ninja is the ultimate all-in-one social media plugin for WordPress. Think of it as your social media Swiss Army knife. It does everything you need and more. Times embed authentic social reviews from multiple platforms. Times display gorgeous social media feeds. Times add professional chat widgets. Times showcase customer testimonials. Times create eye-catching notification pop-ups. But here's the exciting part. Emphasis effect, you can get all of this at an incredible 60% discount. Just head over to dubsocialninja.com and use the exclusive promo code at checkout. The link is right there in the description below. Imagine boosting your social proof with real-time reviews, engaging visitors with beautiful social feeds, and converting them with smart pop-ups, all from one powerful plugin. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Click the link below to visit dubsocialninja.com and grab your 60% discount today. Transform your WordPress site into a social media powerhouse for a fraction of the regular price. Hit that like button if you love a good deal, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use WP Social Ninja on your site. Remember, click the link in the description and save 60% at dubsocialninja.com.